morning everyone. This morning we're going to be learning a new sound together, and this new sound is the sound. Can you say that? Very good. And the rhyme on the back says nurse with a purse. What two words can you hear with the sound when I say that rhyme? Nurse with a purse. That's right, nurse and purse both have the sound. Now, is a digraph because it's got two letters that make one sound. So I'm going to put our sound here, and I've got some words to see if we can read them together. So our first word is burn. Burn. Very good. There's a little picture of fire burning there. So I'll put burn. Let's see what other words we've got. Earl. Earl. Curl. Like when you've got very curly hair. And in our class, we've got a couple of children with very curly hair, haven't we? I wonder if you're one of them, if you know who you are. I'll put curl here. And then we've got another one. Are you ready? Fur. Fur. If you've got a pet at home, a dog or a cat, they've got fur, haven't they? Put fur up here as well. Oh, fur's lost its blue tack. There we go. Let's see if we can work this one out. Hurt. I hope none of you hurt yourselves. That wouldn't be good, would it? Hurt. Ready for the next one? Turn. Which way are you going to turn? Are you going to turn left or right? Turn. Oh, now this is something I've always wanted to try. Surf. Yeah, I'd love to go surfing. Have any of you ever been surfing? If you have, I would really like to hear those stories. Surf. Oh, now this word's a little bit longer, isn't it? It's got quite a few sounds in this one. Let's see if we can work this out together. Ip. Turnip. 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 Have you ever tried turnip? I really, really like turnip. In fact, I had turnip last night on my roast dinner. It was so tasty. Turnip. And let's have a look at this one. Now, this word is pretty special. This has, can't get my words out. This word has got three digraphs. Let's see if we can work them out. Church. And some of you might go to church. Church. Well done. So these are our words, and this is our new sound, okay? You have done really, really well with that. In fact, I'm very, very impressed. Little bit concerned about what's coming next. Oh no, it's that time. It's time again for those tricky words. Where is he? Come on, Phonics Felix. It's time for tricky words. Tricky words. These are tricky words. Don't let them trick you. Here they are. Now, let's see if we can get them together. I think we will do really, really well with these. Are you ready? No. Go. I. Be. Me. We. Ooh, you see it? We. She. The. Very, very good. I think we could do them but a little bit quicker. Are you ready? No. Go. I, be, me, we, she, the. What did you think, Phonics Felix? Oh, look, he's clapping his hands, he liked that. Yay! The tricky words didn't trick us today, did they? No, no, no. Now what I'd like you to do today, I want you to practice the sounds that we've been learning. Okay, so I want you to practice all the sounds we know. Okay, you could watch the Jolly Phonics Phase 2 video on YouTube and the Jolly Phonics Phase 3 video. Okay, it's really important that you keep practicing your sounds and all our new ones as well. Well done everybody, thank you for joining me for phonics today. I'll see you soon, bye.